Okay, there we go. Now, this is Snowstorm 2011. Benny, smile for the camera. Benny's doing some work here. There's Mommy. Now here's the snow fort that I built. It's one hole. Alright, now, let me just give you a little heads up of where we are here, okay? So, now here's another hole. See? And then, saw that. And here's another one. Now, let me show you the secret entrance. And I don't know why she turns around, trying to get her face there. Okay. And Vinny's walking over that way. Now here's the stairs. Now here's the secret entrance. Oh boy. Okay. See, that one's actually pretty hard to get into. Let's make it out further. There we go. See. Now. Now I will go through the tunnel. Here we go. Ready? Okay, this has never been attempted before. So, let's see. This could be a little bit dangerous. We'll have to see what happens. Oh boy. If we get stuck here, we're done for. Alright. Here we go. We made it. See? A little light right there. A little light right there. And then we got this. Oh, there we go. We got this going up this way too. See? Now, this is Snow-fort builder extraordinaire. And yes, I know I kind of cheated on this a little bit with the table, but you know, considering that the snow is kind of soft and doesn't really hold up, I was considering pouring some water on here to freeze it and make it into a sturdier structure. But I'll just wait to see what the weather in the next few days does for us. Well, all right, now I get to spill my phone. Now let's turn around again. And let me actually try to see if I can show you the dimensions of this. Alright, see? It's that, but then underneath here, see, we got all this here. That's clear. So, alright, now, let's see if I can get out of here safely. Here we go. Okay, and backing up. Now, see, this right here is what? It's really my way. See, I would go underneath that. I don't want to move this right here because it makes it for a smaller passageway, safer from the snowball plum troopers. So let's keep going here. And, here we go. And we're out. There's a neighbor. And oh, were you trying to show him over there?
I'm trying to show him you.
Oh, okay. I want to go back in then. All right. Got to go back in. Here we go. And there's Vin. Hi, Vin. He's like, hey. Hi, Vin. Vinny, come down here with me. Here he comes. Oh boy, look at that. Now we're both in the little fort, huh, Vin?
Watch your head. Watch your head.
Oh boy.
Under the picnic table. Hi.
Don't think about that, Vin.